What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. See our new model. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2026 McLaren 765LT, the latest evolution of McLaren's Longtail legacy. Built for those who think the 720S was too tame, this beast takes performance to the bleeding edge. Let's dive in. Right out of the gate, the 765LT means business. The LT stands for Longtail, and yes, that extended rear isn't just for looks. It's about aerodynamics, downforce, and domination. McLaren didn't hold back. Active aero components, a larger front splitter, deeper side skirts, and that menacing rear diffuser all serve a purpose. And with carbon fiber everywhere, this car weighs over 170 pounds less than the already light 720S. Add to that the ultra-lightweight forged wheels and thinner glass, and you're looking at a car that slices through air like a scalpel, precision engineered for the track, but still somehow street legal. Step inside, and you'll instantly know this is no luxury cruiser. This is a cockpit designed for focus. McLaren has stripped away every ounce of unnecessary weight. No carpets, minimal sound deadening, and even the door pulls are made of fabric. Optional air conditioning and infotainment system, because who needs comfort when you're chasing lap records? But don't let the Spartan layout fool you. This is driver-focused engineering at its finest. Digital gauges, Alcantara everywhere, and perfectly contoured bucket seats, everything screams race-ready. Under the hood lies a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 pumping out a mind-bending 765 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque, hence the name. This isn't just a power upgrade. The 765LT has reworked internals, improved cooling, and shorter gear ratios. The result? A 0 to 60 time of 2.7 seconds and a top speed of over 205 miles per hour. But the magic isn't just in the numbers, it's in the feel. The throttle response is razor-sharp. The steering is telepathic. And the titanium exhaust? It roars like an unleashed demon. The 2026 McLaren 765LT isn't trying to be everything to everyone. It's not luxurious. It's not subtle. It's an unapologetic, adrenaline-soaked tribute to pure performance. In a world of hybrid hypercars and EVs, the 765LT reminds us what raw combustion, lightweight engineering, and track obsession really feel like. If you're a fan of high-performance machines that push the limit, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What would you do with 765 horsepower and a track at your disposal? Until next time, keep chasing speed.